Your remote not working all the time or having to get closer to the vehicle? Push a button multiple times so it'll work on your Jeep Grand Cherokee? Stop worrying. Let's change the battery first before calling a locksmith or going to the dealership and see if that was a problem. I will show you step by step in this video. No special tools. All you need is a brand new CR2032 battery. With that being said, your emergency key release right here. We are going to pull it. Take your emergency blade out, and when you do, opposite of where the key came out, you'll have a little indentation right there. Take that key, put it in there, and gently pry them apart. And there you go, it came apart. With that, take your key blade, put it onto the battery, pop it out, move it to the side, get your good quality battery, no product placement. Take the new battery, positive side, put it down in the remote, make sure the circuit board's down, and let's put the two halves back together. Everything goes right, they should just start snapping together. Hey, if you found this helpful, please like and leave a comment down below, and remember, let's be safe out there.